Algebra 1, ninth grade, Unit 1, Lesson 1, Checkerboard Borders. Evaluate each expression using the given value. The given value for g is 5, so we substitute the g with a 5. 10 minus 3 times 5 is 10 minus 15, and 10 minus 15 is negative 5. The given value for x is 8, so we substitute the x with 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So 6 minus 12 is negative 6. Complete the table of values. When the value for x is 0, we substitute the x with 0. Now the equation reads y equals 3 times 0 minus 5. And 3 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. So y equals negative 5. When the value for x is 0, the value for y is negative 5. When the value for x is 1, we substitute the x with a 1. Now the equation reads y equals 3 times 1 minus 5. And 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So y equals negative 2. When the value for x is 1, the value for y is negative 2. I notice a pattern in the x column. The values are increasing by 1. And the pattern in the y column, the values are increasing by 3. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4. Graph the points. The horizontal axis is the x-axis, and the vertical axis is the y-axis. For the first point, the value for x is 1, and the value for y is 16. Where these two coordinates intersect is where we'll put the point. For the next point, the x-coordinate is 3, and the y-coordinate is 13. Where these two coordinates meet is where we'll put the point. For the next one, the x-coordinate is 5, the y-coordinate is 10. Where these coordinates meet is where we'll put the point. And for the last one, the coordinates are 7 and 7. Where these coordinates meet, we'll put the point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.